It's getting closer. Will we have a new 2015 MotoGP World Champion? And back in the new car. Can the Yamahas match the pace and the speed of our Hondas at the front? Stay with us, because we are about to find out.
Lead into the first corner, round well wide. Lorenzo back into the lead. Alex Espargaro doing a great job to hold off Mark Marquez. Danny Pedrosa now in the fifth. What about Maverick Vinales? Still down in 11th place and only fell back to 10th.
Could have been worse for Rossi. I thought he was disappearing into the car park, but he's actually kept it a pretty good distance as they come down through Arapiata 1 and Arapiata 2. 1.5 laps gone. Jump start as we see there.
Rossi now glued to the back wheel of Jorge Lorenzo. This is down into Scarperia. They'll back it left for Pelagio. Here we go through the left-hander. Rossi momentarily sees the lead at the end of that first lap. Wasn't able to put it on the brakes into the first corner. Round in front of the Ducati Grandstand. What a nightmare start to speak for the Bologna factory. Andrea Iannone is back down in 10th place. In fact, he's just been passed by Maverick Vinales. Those two started on the front row. They're 10th and 11th.
This is just where Rossi wants to be. They're going to come into Colin Tyre that brings them onto this long, well over 1,000 metres long, 7/10 of a mile long straight. And Rossi will just tuck in behind and he'll try the manoeuvre again. I promise you he will, because he does not want Lorenzo to get away at the front. They're going to come side by side again. Here comes Rossi on the inside.
And he may get stiff this time around. He's got the inside line. Lorenzo leads is braking really late. Lorenzo will cut it back to the apex through San Donato. No way through this time around then for Valentino Rossi. The Italian's the fastest man on the track with a 1:48.445. Danny Pedrosa 6th place. Alex Espargaro doing a great job of holding off Mark Marquez. Marquez knows found his way through. Marquez up inside the top three then for the first time in this race.
It's Andrea Dovizioso leading the Ducati charge, despite being well down in the grid. But here we go again. Rossi's going to have another go. Rossi is just snapping at the heels all the time. I can't stress enough. Lorenzo wants to lead from start to finish. And Rossi knows if he lets him do that, this race is over. But he's not going to let him do it. And he's got the whole of Italy charging behind him.
Yeah, Rossi just at the moment sat right on the coattails of Jorge Lorenzo. That gap coming down now between Rossi and Mark Marquez in that battle for third place. Dovizioso's clawed his way up into fifth. He took Danny Pedrosa last time around. Bradley Smith has just been passed by Scott Redding. That's a battle for 7th and 8th. It's been a shocker for Vinales and Iannone off that front row. Maverick Vinales just has got to sort out his start if he's got any hopes.